I have mold on the styrofoam inside my Frigidaire air conditioner. Can I remove this styrofoam as I called the factory and they don't have replacement showing for this? It is only 2 years old. I have 2 other AC units and they don't have any styrofoam inside them. Now Frigidaire's, why is this styrofoam there and how can I get this problem solved?
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. The styrofoam is there to properly divert the air. May I please have your model number, so I am able to provide you with accurate, model-specific information?
Model #FAC 107S.
Thank you. This model is an economy model that is not designed to be repaired, so the styrofoam is not available. However, it is important because it is what directs the air around the evaporator and out the louvers in the front. You can use a bleach solution in a spray bottle to clean and kill the mold, but getting access to the internal areas will be difficult. The pieces are glued together and if you try to disassemble any of it, you will break the styrofoam. I would spray it with a bleach solution or Lysol to kill the mold and see how it does.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.